Can you truly experience the magic of Aruba without emptying your wallet? I'm here to tell you that the answer is a resounding yes. Many people think of this island as a high-end luxury destination. But there's another side to it. A more accessible, down-to-earth, and equally beautiful Aruba is waiting for you. It's an island of wonderful contrasts. One day you can be floating in turquoise water that is as calm as a swimming pool. The next, you can be standing on a rugged cliff, feeling the spray of the wild Atlantic Ocean on your face. You get two incredible islands for the price of one. This is not about cutting corners or missing out on the best parts. It is about making smart choices that unlock an even more authentic experience. It's about discovering the local spots, eating the food the islanders love, finding those hidden gems that aren't in every glossy travel magazine. I've found that traveling this way often leads to the richest memories. You connect more with the place and its people. You see things from a different perspective. This guide is your personal map to enjoying both the serene and the spirited sides of Aruba, all while keeping your budget happy and intact. Let's start with the calm side of the island. Think of the west coast as Aruba's gentle embrace. Think of the south coast as Aruba's gentle embrace. This is where you will find the beaches that dreams are made of. The sand is like powdered sugar, soft and white. The water is a brilliant shade of turquoise. It is almost always perfectly calm. These are the waters of the Caribbean Sea, sheltered from the strong trade winds. This is your place to unwind, to float, to swim, to simply let the world melt away. Perfect for families with small children, and anyone a little nervous about swimming in the ocean. Eagle Beach is one of my absolute favorites. It consistently ranks among the best beaches in the world. The beach is incredibly wide, so you never feel crowded. Walk for miles along the shoreline, gentle waves at your ankles. It's famous for its fofoti trees, sculpted by the wind. Perfect photo ops, especially at sunset. Find a spot under a divvy tree for shade. Lay down your towel, just breathe. Relaxation at its finest, and it costs absolutely nothing. Another gem, Baby Beach on the southern tip. Protected by a man-made breakwater, a natural pool. Pack a small cooler. Stop at Superfood Plaza and stock up. Fresh loaf of bread, Dutch cheese, local fruits. Save money versus beachside bars and restaurants. Bring reef-safe sunscreen, a good hat, plenty of water. The Aruban sun is strong. Stay hydrated. Enjoy the peace, the quiet, and the gentle rhythm of the Caribbean Sea. Your home base and your daily meals are where you can save the most money, allowing you to splurge on experiences instead. For budget-friendly accommodation, look beyond the high-rise hotels on Palm Beach. Consider staying in Nord. Consider staying in Oranjestad. Find options on Airbnb. Find options on VRBO. Often comes with a kitchen, your secret weapon for saving on food. Rent a room in a local's home. Getting around the island is another key part of your budget. Taxis add up quickly. Rent a small car for a few days. Freedom to explore calm coasts. Freedom to explore wild coasts. Discover hidden beaches. Stop at roadside fruit stands. Chase the sunset at a moment's notice. Book your rental car online in advance for the best rates. Driving in Aruba is easy. Roads are well maintained. Drive slowly on unpaved roads to remote spots. Now, my favorite subject, food. Eating like a local is cheaper and more authentic. Skip the expensive tourist restaurants. Seek out food trucks, trucky pan, fresh grilled fish, savory stews, pastiche, fried pastries filled with meat or cheese. A food truck meal often costs less than a resort cocktail. Zerovers in Savaneta. Fresh affordable seafood on the water. Make local supermarkets your best friend. Ling & Sons, Superfood Plaza. Start your day with breakfast in your apartment. Pack a cooler. One of the most magical things you can do in Aruba, peek beneath the surface of that beautiful turquoise water. And the best news? You don't need to pay for an expensive boat tour. Walk in from the shore and find yourself in an underwater wonderland. Bring your own mask and snorkel, save money on rentals. Go early between 7 and 9 a.m. Calm water, no crowds. Marine life most active. Tres Trapi. On the northwestern coast, a small cove carved into limestone cliffs. A few steps chiseled into the rock lead you right into the water. This spot is famous for being a favorite hangout for sea turtles. If you go early and are quiet and patient, your chances of swimming alongside these graceful creatures are incredibly high. It's a truly breathtaking experience. Be respectful, keep your distance, and never touch the wildlife. Another excellent and easily accessible spot is Malmak Beach. The water is shallow and clear, perfect for beginners. You can snorkel right along the rocky coastline and see colorful fish. Known for its shallow, calm water, the channel that feeds the bay is a fantastic snorkeling area. Now, let's flip the script and explore Aruba's wild side. If the west coast is a gentle lullaby, the north and east coasts are a powerful rock anthem. This is where the island faces the mighty Atlantic Ocean. Mysterious black stone beaches. It's a place that makes you feel small in the best possible way. One of the most spectacular areas to explore is within Aruba National Park. You will need a 4x4 vehicle to reach many of these spots. The park is home to incredible natural wonders like the natural pool or conchi. The views from the coastline inside the park are simply unforgettable. A visit to Blackstone Beach is a must for anyone who loves dramatic scenery. Further north, you can find the ruins of the Bushiribana gold mill, especially at spots like Boca Grande. One of the most visually stunning spots is Dos Playa. Use a slow shutter speed to capture the motion of the white water. Do not swim at any of these wild coast beaches unless there are clear signs indicating it is safe. Wear sturdy, closed-toe shoes. It is also a good idea to let someone know your plans. Now, what are you waiting for? Go plan that trip and feel free to ask me any questions in the comments below.